In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook to the home screen on an Android phone. Having any app on your home screen is beneficial if you use it regularly, and I'm guessing you do use Facebook a lot. So instead of scrolling around trying to find it, the easiest way to do it is swipe up to load up all your apps. Scroll down to where you see Facebook, press and hold. If you've got an option here to add to home screen, you're the lucky one. Simply press that, it'll now be added to home screen. Unfortunately for me, I need to press select. Make sure Facebook is still selected. I can also select any other app I want to add to home screen, but we'll just keep Facebook on for this tutorial. Simply at the bottom, press add. It'll then be added as the last app on the last page from your home screen. So now I need to press and hold it and keep dragging it, and there you can see it's now on the home screen. If I press and hold it again, I can move it around and position it where I want, but I'll just leave it there for now. But that's how you add the Facebook app to the home screen on an Android phone.